Hi everyone, Susanna here with the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group. And this month we are going to focus on core strengthening. And I have a really good exercise I want us to practice pretty much every day. We don't practice this one, do another exercise like perhaps a plank pose. So many core things you can do. But this one, Norma, our admin, introduced it to me. It's a variation on dead bug, but we're going to be focusing on the lower abdominal really. You're going to feel it, and not so much having to worry about the coordination of your arms. So let's go on to our backs. Pull in on your abs to support your back, tuck your chin, and come on down safely. Once you are down, let's take a moment to just warm up a little bit. Pick up your feet, hug the knees in, rock your lower back side to side. Plant both feet on the floor and do a couple of windshield wiper side to sides for the knees and the hips. Very nice. Okay, let's get to the exercise. Two ways to do the arms. One way would be to place the palms underneath the edge of your butt and so you can really feel that your low back is nice and grounded. Now pick up your knees, bend them, and they are exactly 90-90, right? It's a right angle with your legs. Do not crunch in and do not extend them, but keep the 90-degree angle and tighten your abs. So you can do it this way with your arms where I've suggested, or you can stretch your arms straight up from the shoulders and rotate them away and press the palms to the sky. So I do it this way. I'm really pushing my shoulder blades up for the added benefit of some upper spine release. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way. You can try it as well. It's from a modality called Eldoa. Or if your lower back or your abs are not so strong, place your palms back underneath, right where we had them to start, because that's going to support your back. These are options. Do the one that feels good for you. And now for the exercise. First things first, brace your core by engaging your lower abdominals. Find them. And then begin to move. So lower the heel of one leg and then the other. And that's the whole thing. Let's do 12. So that was 1. 12 on both sides. 2. And 3. And 4. And if you're doing the arm part of it and you're starting to get tired, you could switch. You could place the palms underneath and do it that way and focus just on the lower abs. I'm going to go back to my arms. All right, so let's keep going. We've got about 6 more to do. 7. Also do it slow. 8. And controlled. And 9. And 10, and 11, and 12. Perfect, and release. Do a little shake out. Shake your wrists, flick your fingers, move your shoulders, kick your butt with your heels nice and light, and breathe. Draw the knees in. Now I'm going to give you a little bonus hip stretch and low back massage to finish up. So with your right foot grounded, take your left foot and rest the side of your left foot at the top of your right thigh. So you've created your figure 4. And then arms out to the sides. Lift the foot that's on the floor off the floor. And now gently start making rocking side to side motions in a figure 4. So it's a side to side rock. You're massaging your lower back and doing the hip opening position, figure 4. Breathe. Good, and back to center. Take the leg that's on top, slide it over, and then gently pull in a little bit. So you just give your glutes a stretch. Flex your feet and release. Under your legs, shake it out. Other side, both feet down. Okay, so right foot rests on top of the left thigh. Flex your foot, send the knee forward, arms out to the sides, and now pick the foot up off the floor. Start to rock side to side. It can be a small rock. Don't go too far. Can you still notice that your abdominals are engaged, as well as you're now massaging your hip and your lower back? Great, and then come back to center, slide the top leg across, cross legs. You can reach up and flex your feet and gently draw the knee in. So you're not rounding your spine, but you are rounding your lower back up off the floor, not the upper back. Breathe as a stretch for your glutes. And release. And lastly, a couple of pelvic tilts. So both feet down. Squeeze your butt and lift your tailbone off the floor, and then reverse it, arch your back. There's space between your back now. Now press your lower back in, squeeze your butt up and down. So pelvic tilts support your core as well for mobility. So important. Squeeze up, squeeze your glutes, reverse. Squeeze up and reverse. When you squeeze up, lower back is pressing down. When you reverse, you're arching your back. One more. Good. And release. That's it. Okay. Roll to one side. Pick yourself up and enjoy your core exercises this month. And let's get strong together. So if you like this little video, because this is on my YouTube channel, Forever Yoga with Susanna, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up, a like. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I've got lots of challenge videos as well as safe for osteoporosis yoga videos. You can subscribe to my challenge and also, to my channel. The challenge is in the Facebook group. The channel is on YouTube. And below here, you can leave a comment, tell me what you thought. And if you're not already a member of the Strong Bones Facebook challenge, you can go ahead, request to join. We'd love to have you. And there we can interact in real time and check in with each other how we're doing on our challenges. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next video. Or see you on Facebook. Take care.